Hey everybody, Bernie here. As I promised you in my last video, I was going to get caught up on all my other coins. So let's get started here. First one I got is a nice buffalo. Um, the date is very, very hard to see, but it is a 1925. It is an S mint. If I can get it to focus in. There it is. Then two old nickels, a 47 and the 51 that I found within the silver spill. Hunted a local school and came up with two Kennedy halves, an 84 Philadelphia and an 88 Philadelphia. One bicentennial quarter from same school. All right, now let's get to the wheat harvest. Very nice harvest from these hunts that I've been taking. All right, the first is a 1913. Then a 1916. A 1919S. A 1920. A 1923. Two 1934s. A 1937. A 1940. One 1941. I also have a 1942 and a 1942 Denver. Then these mid 40s are in really, really bad shape, but have eight 1944s. And eight 1945s. And two very, very crappy 1946s. I can barely get a date off of both of those. A 1950. A 1953. A 56. Then a 58 Denver. And then two first-year memorials, a 59 and a 59 Denver. Then I got some real nice older Canadians. There's a George VI, a 1942. This one's pretty cruddy on the front here. It's George VI, 1951. And my next one is a first for me. It is my first George V. It's a Canadian penny. I love this design. 1932. All right. That's my other coin finds and my wheat harvest. Hope you enjoyed. Happy hunting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what's next.